the song again. 1, 2, go. Bam, da, da, ba, da, ba, ba, da, 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 mordent alone, anyone may not even know that that's what you are playing. It's one of the finest ways of starting to play solo. Can we do that all together? One, two. Okay, some people are not ready. If you're ready, let me just say yeah, yeah. Yeah. Say I. Hope you can play this game. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Cheapest way of approaching the song. So you are not too far away from the song. So what we will do next is you do upper the first time, lower the second time. Upper again, lower. Upper, it goes like a graph. Right? You know what the lower is? Okay, let's just run the lower. Do, do, da da da, da da da, ba da da. Let's run that. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Excellent. Now let's mix the two together. Let's hear what that will sound like. 1, 2, go. Do.